This is the camera gear you didn't know you needed. And before someone goes, I shoot landscapes, it ain't for you, mate. This is what we need here. Now I'm gonna go for this one here first because it's something I get asked about in nearly every video. So what's that thing? What is that? It's a salon stand, often called a studio stand or a camera stand. Any kind of stand. They're made by Cambo, Manfrotto, and Foba. Foba? FOMO? No, FOMO's fear of missing out, isn't it? Foba. They are brilliant. They are massive. They are expensive. If you shoot still life, you need one of these. And in that vein, boom arms. I've currently got a boom arm up here. I don't think I can get it to come down though. Boom arms, they let you swing stuff above things. They're very useful. We could not work without boom arms, whether it's holding a flag, holding a light, getting it to somewhere where you can't have the light stand there. If my microphone here was on a light stand, the light stand would be coming straight up. It isn't. It's coming over the top. We've boomed it in. Now, bags are a big one for me. Recently, and we've done this on Studio Access explaining the finances and the logistics behind it, we've stopped using rental houses. We've started being our own rental house. This is not a sign for you to go and spend 50 grand on lighting. There's some clear reasons and whys and all of that we did this, but bags. The first time we did one of these jobs where we were the rental house, we had the wrong bags. It was a nightmare. We had many bags. Now we have a few bags. To do a smallish shoot, all we need are 3 bags and a trolley. That's it. We've got it nicely down, and these bags are good quality. My actual daily bag, my Billingham, I've had since 2010. I use it every single day. It's good quality. My first good camera bag was a Think Tank Airport. I used it every day. I used to walk to my studio with it, wheeling behind me. It has been around the world on campaigns. It has been heavily overloaded. It still works today. Good quality bags maketh the man. Multicolored tape. Many reasons for this. I actually have a piece on this lens just here, which reminds me, look at the lens, not at the screen up here, otherwise my videos look like this. Look at the lens. I use it to mark lights. We put a bit on the pack so we can see, there's the orange head and there it is. You've got like 3 lights coming out of a pack and 3 heads. You want to be able to see them clearly. We use it to label our C-stands. So if we take C-stands and metalware on set, we know what's ours and what's the rental house. We color code everything with this like weird luminous green. Go and buy some coloured tape and a dirty rigger. And no, I'm not doing links for you all. You can find this stuff, just Google it. A CalDigit. This allows you on set to have a plethora of ports available to you because Mac is stingy on their ports, especially with laptops. Buy a CalDigit, thank me later. It is probably the only hub I'd ever dare tether into. They're so good, they're very good. I love them. I have many of them and they always come on set. Now the charging trolley. This is something we have made a dedicated video on years ago. Mine is now battered and falling apart and full of chaos, as you can see. But just trust me, have a charging trolley. It means when you need to move your chargers, you undo one plug and you wheel the whole thing wherever you're going. If we're going on a really long shoot, we'll take the charging trolley with us. We'll just pop it in the back of the big cars and drive it on there and then wheel it out. Everything charges on one trolley. It makes life blissful. And then to make sure that we've turned it off at the end of the night, we've got some LEDs here, so as we're leaving the room, if there's a red glow from the corner, it means I've left the chargers on. We do not leave chargers on overnight. It's a risk. Box of bits. This specific box of bits is all those weird adapters and screws and 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, all that sort of stuff. Have a box of bits. We put it in a toolkit with a screwdriver and a knife. It comes on every job with us. You'd be amazed at how often you turn up and the tripod they've given you or the studio stand is the wrong type and you got to adapt it. Hey, big boy. You know, and it's just, just take some screws with you. Spares and repairs. Every shoot we go on, every bag has the parts of spares and repairs. So for example, for Broncolor, we've got the fuses, we've got the spare flash tubes, that's a good bone. We've got a good bone. We've got all that stuff you need. Take the spares and repairs and put them in each bag. It's like, in our car, every car has a dedicated toolkit. Every location we own has a dedicated toolkit. There's a dedicated studio toolkit. There's a dedicated home toolkit. Everything has a dedicated thing. Have dedicated spare parts for each of your bags. It makes life so much easier. We have ones that stay just in the studio, ones that go on location. Just keep them like that. And also, every time we destroy a bit of kit, we keep it. Because, only if we have multiples of them. But for example, I've got 2 broken Broncolor heads at the moment, and they're old ones. They're not worth repairing, but we're probably going to be able to merge those two broken broncolor heads into one functioning broncolor head. And then we have one broken broncolor head, and next time one breaks, we'll do the whole thing again, and we'll keep our little Frankenstein monsters running. Do you need help, Teddy? That's all the good kit. Get a dog as well. Studio dog, golden retriever, best dog in the world.